A policeman who has already characterized this young man as a dog is only expected to treat him as a dog when he has been given more time, or once this court sanctions that they detain him longer. Article 28, my Lord, Your Honor, is on the dignity. What my good colleague and brother has played here is very clear that they do not want, they just want more time to continue torturing this young man. When I was a student of literature, we used to call them this God bit of food. Now, on to the first count, Your Honor. The first count, and it has been put there maliciously, robbery with violence, and we are going to demonstrate the particulars of malice. In Joseph Kaberia Karinga and 11 others versus Attorney General, 2016 EKRL, Your Honor, declared section 296(2) of the Penal Code as unconstitutional, and a bench of 3 judges of Honorable Lesit, Honorable Kimaru, Honorable Mutuko said this, and I'm giving a copy to the court. Declaration. We are going to declaration and orders. We hereby declare that section 296, 295, page, Your Honor, it's page 42 of 43, page 42 of. This is what the court said, High Court of Kenya, sitting in Nairobi and not even in Kisumu. We hereby declare that section 296, 295 and 296 to 297(1) and 297(2) of the Penal Code do not meet the constitutional threshold of setting out in sufficient precision of the offense of robbery and attempted robbery with violence, such particularity as to enable those accused to adequately answer to the charges and prepare their defenses. They go ahead and say, in light of one above, we recommend that the Attorney General, the Kenya Law Reform and other relevant agencies to prepare detailed professional review in the context of judgment and order made in view of enabling Parliament to appropriately amend sections 295, 296(1), 296(2), 297(1), and 297(2) of the Penal Code with a view of removing the ambiguity. Walipewa nafasi waende waondoe dosari, lakini wakazembea kotini, wakazembea kazini. Maafisa wa serikali, they are now the same men preferring charges. And I don't know whether my sister maybe talked to the ODPP on this particular charge. This is what the court held, we submit. In view of the fact that there are pending trials before the court of various stages of hearing processes where the accused persons have been charged with impugned section of the Penal Code and order not to be prejudiced, those trials, the effect of the declaration one above is suspended for 18 months. Since 2016, 18 months lapsed almost 5 years ago. The ODPP, the Attorney General, and the police do not read the law. They have been charging people in this court. Your Honor, we are very happy before you. During the demonstration, which Baba was calling the other time, policemen were concocting robbery with violence so that these courts, they can persuade these courts to deny demonstrators cash bail. We are still on cash bail. The reason why this particular charge, robbery with violence, has been put here is for you to imagine that this is a very grievous matter, robbery with violence, which carries a death sentence. And therefore, this young man should not be released on a cash bail. So therefore, Your Honor, send back the police, the ODPP to their concussion room to go and concoct better charges against this young man. If at all they have. We are told that they are waiting for him at the traffic court. We will be with them there.